the engine. Success does not move on wishes, it moves on enthusiasm. When you wake up with excitement for your purpose, obstacles becomes instructions, not distractions. Enthusiasm is the inner fire that keeps you standing when results delay. Talent may open doors, but enthusiasm keeps them open. If you want success to recognize you, show up every day with passion in your voice, energy in your steps, and belief in your heart. Enthusiasm turns effort into excellence. Lucky the condom.